Hi friends, happy to see you all again in one more video. In my last video, I had shown the assembly of Trotten desk. In this video, I am going to show Trotten drawer unit which I am going to unbox and assemble now. Come on, let's see. This is a Trotten drawer unit which I am going to unbox now. So these are the various parts of the drawer unit. So these are the various parts which I have laid it down here. Nuts, bolts and other hardware. So this is the manual. This is how the drawer will be. You just need a screwdriver. As usual, lay it on a carpet or a mat before doing. If you have doubts, call IKEA. So I segregated all the screws and bolts. There is an Allen key. Whatever is given here, 16 numbers, 8 numbers, 4 numbers of these both, and 2 of these, and an Allen key, and also this part, 2 numbers, these 2 are there, and all it is a screwdriver, and this, with the help of this Allen key, we are going to fit it. So let's get started. So the first step involves fixing of these two. I place them as given in the picture here, and also based on the left and right, they have clearly mentioned left right. So I have placed it accordingly. This is the left one and this is the right part. This is actually the part which will come below the top of the drawer, that is below this, the portion below this. So first I am fixing the left ones. So I have to place this on top of this hole here. They have mentioned this type of the small screw. Similarly, I'll fit the right side. So the step 1 is ready. Now we'll go to the step 2. So these are the 4 pieces which will form the legs, which will be like this, which will form an A. And if you see, they are all slanted. Both the top and bottom are slanted. You have to place it properly such that the bottom is below. The bottom has got a plastic cap and the top has got a welded nut. So the second and third step involves fixing of these 2 legs to the part which we made in the first step. For that you have to place all these top and bottom properly. So if you see these legs, 2 sides of the legs have got holes. One has got 2 large holes and another side there are 3, 2 and 1 small one. So you have to place it properly in such a way that the inside has 3 holes. So let me do the one side first. So now I placed it as given in the picture 2. So I am going to join these 2 with the help of this Allen bolt. After this, I'll tighten with the Allen key. So now for the third step, I am doing the other side. I placed it as it is shown, the wheel part here and the leg part with the 3 holes on the top. And now I'll fix with the Allen bolt. So step 2 and 3 are completed. Both the leg frames are ready. Now we'll complete the remaining part. So the step 4 involves fixing of these connector rods. 4 rods are given to the top and bottom of the leg frames. Here you have to see that this part and this part has to be inside, because this is where the drawer is going to be fitted. So they have to be inside. So this is how the connector will be fitted to both the frames. So 2 on top and 2 on bottom. Now I'll do it. So these connecting rods have got welded nuts on both the side. So I'll fix with this Allen bolt. Fifth step is actually they have shown this is the bottom shelf of the drawer unit. Here you have to take care how it is to be placed. This they have shown this should be the inside, that is on the top portion. The depression, you can see there are depressions here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the depression should be on top. It should be this. It should be like this. And sixth step involves folding it. So now I'll show that. So the seventh step involves fixing this bottom shelf inside, and the eighth step is fixing them with the screws and the number they have given here. So now the bottom shelf has been completed. So the 9th, 10th, 11th and also the 12th and 13th steps will be making the drawer ready, the main drawer unit ready. So for that again we are going to fold this. You can see the depressions here. So this will be inside. So fold it first. So it will go like this here. And now I'll tell you what this is. This is actually for locking. So this is the front portion. So this is how it will come, and you can put a small lock here. So this will go in the back side. So we have to fix those things now. The 10th step is first we have to place the front portion first. This is the front portion. You can see the flush thing here, and you can see there is a groove here. So this will be the back and this will be the front as seen in the picture here. So the 11th step is fixing of this here, these grooves. So now we have to fix the 4 screws, these same ones. So it's ready. Now the 12th and 13th is, 12th is fitting the back side. So as per the 12th step, we are going to fit this back portion on this drawer. It's got a groove, so it will fit like this. So this is the groove which will go inside this. So this is how. So with the help of this clip, we have to join it, and then on top of this you place this cap. It has to be pressed very hard with a click sound. So all the 4 sides are fixed. You can see it look like this inside. So now that the drawer is ready, we have to just fix it on the top, slide it in the stop panel. A stopper has to be fitted so that the drawer doesn't come out when we pull it. So this kind of stopper is given. So this is how it goes. So if you pull it will come out. So to avoid that, you have to fix a stopper here. So it has to be tightened with a screwdriver on both sides. We have fixed these, now that the stoppers have been fixed, this drawer will not move beyond this. You cannot pull it out, it will not fall off. So now that the whole unit is ready, only the top portion has to be fixed. For that you have to place the unit upside down like this in the picture and then fit it. So let's do. And fix it with these Allen screws. So now it's totally complete. You can see the Trotten drawer unit like this. So you saw how simple assembling this product was. So now that the assembly is completed, this is how the Trotten drawer unit looks like. We have purchased white color one. You get it in two colors, black and white. I paid 2,500 for this. This is material is powder coated steel, and it is lightweight. So this A-shaped frame complements with this A-shaped frame of this Trotten desk. So this is how it looks. You can see I'm lifting it so easily. So when I place it below this is how it will look. The drawer is lockable, so you can place anything in this, anything valuable, your file or folder or small laptop, wallet, anything can be placed in this, and you can lock it. And the bottom shelf, there's a lot of gap here, so you can even place a storage box here, or your helmet or handbags, or anything can be placed. But once you place below this table, this place is going to go waste, so you can place it anywhere else. And you can even place an item like a printer here, or you can put to multiple use. As I said, it's made of powder coated steel. You can see the top is plate, and legs are quite sturdy, very strong. But the other portions like the shelf and the drawer, they are all made of mesh. So I feel the amount 2,500 is a bit on the higher side. The whole thing could have been priced lesser, that is my opinion, but yet I went for this because I wanted to complement it with my Trotten desk. I'm sure it's going to serve my purpose. I liked it. You can share your opinion about the assembly video as well as the product in the comment section below, and hope you liked watching the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye till then. Take care.